Hey guys, welcome to another California Relic Adventure. Mark and I are sneaking out for our first hunt of 2020. We're at a site we've dug a few buckles at. There's been some gold found out here, so we're gonna gear up and get after it. Hey guys, Mark and I have been digging. We're not digging much, but I just popped this out and I saw this in the clump. I can see the silver on it. I didn't get a live dig. It wasn't very deep. It was a good signal. But that's a ring of some sort. Stuck in the roots. Right there. Silver. It looks like it's I don't know if you can see it. I'm not focusing very well, but it's looks like it's silver. It's got some sort of engraving on it. It says Daneita, D-A-N-E-I-T-A. Looks to be silver and gold of some sort. Kind of an odd find out where we are, but not what we were expecting. But I'll take it. Interesting find out here in the middle of nowhere. So looking for gold or relics, and kind of pop up what I think is a more modern ring. Doesn't look like it's been lost very long. Pretty shiny, but I don't see any markings on the inside, so who knows what that is. Well, we're still poking around, but the sun's going down. Too nice of a day to call it quits. So we just got a couple of those things that we found. Nothing major yet. But sun's going down on another beautiful California day, so we'll poke around a little bit more, see if we can't get something.
Hey, we're still out here, and it's such a nice night. Like Ron said, we just can't leave. I'm going to hand the phone over to Ron, and we're going to dig this signal real quick.
See what we got here. What was the number?
1240.
Oh shoot, dude.
Yeah, it sounds good.
1240.
Sounded good.
This area's been good to you out here.
Yeah.
Another coin pop out of here. Oh, there it is, dude.
What is that?
Some sort of tin, or is it?
Yeah, it's like a case of some type.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's hard to say what that is, but that round looked good for a second, huh?
Oh, absolutely, it did.
There it is.
Yeah.
Whatever that is. Somebody might recognize that just by that little
notch.
Yeah, if there really is a notch there in a hole right here. Anyway, we'll clean it up, see if there's anything on it, but
all right.
That's what it was.
Alright guys, wouldn't normally just record a broken pick like this. This was just under the grass, not very deep. When I got it out, cleaned it off, that is pretty cool. I like it when I find stamped ones. This looks like W-I-C-K, Wick. I'm not sure what that last one is. I'm pretty sure it's a K. But I have to research that. Broken, but at least it's stamped. Alright, Mark's over here kind of hooting and hollering. So, dude, I can see it already.
Is it an
Are
eagle?
you kidding me? Wow.
Can't tell yet what it is. It's probably going to be an eagle, but man. Yeah.
Dude, that's a flat one too. It's not a dome. Yeah. There is an eagle on it.
Okay.
Yeah. But dude, that's the flat eagle?
Oh, okay.
Dang. That's a nice one.
Hang on, let me do a different brush here. I don't trust that brush. Let's do this one.
I knew there's going to be another buckle in here.
Here it comes.
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah, flat eagle, huh? Can't know. Just the flat one. Dude.
Look at that. It's in great shape. Dude, it's got the stars around it, I think. Yeah, it's got the stars around it.
Nice. It's
Dude,
a great
that's a nice
shape.
one.
Woo!
Right on.
All right,
Congrats.
man. All right.